Hello everyone, how are you? We know it's very difficult to choose the best product for a home according to our budget. Don't worry, to make your purchase decision easier and save you time, in today's video we picked only the finest items for you. We make this list based on features, price and actual user reviews. So if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you're buying the best product. Please check the description below for product links and updated prices. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So, let's go for top 5.
Our first pick is Portal Collapsible Utility Wagon. Beach wagon with big wheels for sand. The all-terrain wheels with TPR tread in the middle can easily traverse sand, cement, rubber mats and landings without any trouble. Designed with 360 degrees rotating front wheels that make pushing and pulling a folding wagon easy and convenient. The pole can be extended from 26 inches to 32.5 inches and be adjusted 90 degrees back and forth. The utility wagon is a life helper with laundry and grocery. When you go to park or beach, it can save so much time and energy in transporting. The foldable outdoor wagon is made of 600D Oxford fabric. With the bottom mesh design, the wagon cart can be washed directly with water. The portable wagon has 2 cup holders next to the handle, ensuring all your drinks and objects are within easy reach. A sturdy powder-coated steel frame construction builds a large capacity space, holds up to 225 pounds. The folding wagon can help carry all of your garden tools when you are gardening, or groceries when you are shopping. Number 2 in this best beach wagon list is Moon Lens Outdoor Utility Wagon. The folding wagon comes with heavy-duty 6.3 x 3.9 inches thick wide solid wheels. This collapsible wagon has adjustable telescoping handle for effortless transport and provides an easy control on most terrains. Very compact when folded for carry-on handle for easy portable. All-terrain collapsible folding outdoor wagon cart has internal pull rope design. It can be folded in seconds. No need to install, easy to operate and transport. With a compact design, this thing folds into a mini size that you can simply fold it with one hand. It is convenient to be stored at home, garage and car boot, and we also offer a carry-on bag for carrying and storing. Space labor saving. The handle of the cart can be extended to 31.5 inches, it also can be fixed to your preferred length. You can adjust the handle angle back and forth, making your push and pull more effortlessly. The round grip will also bring you a good using feeling, even kids can easily pull it. This collapsible wagon is made of 600D Oxford fabric and PVC material that are durable, waterproof, and won't tear when you put something sharp in it. Easy to disassemble and clean. For details, let's watch more. Our third choice is Gorilla Carts Utility Pull Beach Wagon. This Gorilla Carts collapsible folding outdoor utility wagon, with an innovative design that makes it quick and simple to set up and fold down for easy storage. The huge bed gives you way more hauling capacity than comparable wagons. Upgraded steering and brake along with a comfort handle allows for improved maneuverability and reduced fatigue. Features expandable side pockets and built-in cup holders on all 4 corners that can double as stands for phones or tablets. 7 cubic foot utility wagon offers a spacious and portable option for all of your essentials. Collapsible design easily folds down for convenient storage and transportation. Pulling handle provides comfort and easy hauling by reducing fatigue. Have the luxury of setting your drinks on the built-in cup holders. All-terrain wheels give you the versatility to pull this portable cart on sand, gravel, grass, or virtually anywhere. For details, let's watch more. Fourth pick in this best beach wagon list is Whitsunday Outdoor Park Utility Wagon. This wagon delivered far more than its price tag. The Whitsunday collapsible folding cart, like many others on the list, came out of the box ready to use. Our testers appreciated how easily this wagon folded and unfolded. They also appreciated how light it was, one of the lightest we tested, and compact it folded to store in a car. However, the smaller size reduces the amount of storage capacity. The smaller wheels of the wagon made it more difficult to pull through the sand than some of the larger wagons tested. Nonetheless, for the money, this is a high-quality wagon. High quality, works well on multiple types of terrain despite not being the best in sand, one tester said. Good price, and folds up nicely for storage or transport. This wagon is ideal for anyone who wants to load and unload items quickly and easily while also traveling with the wagon. The tilting pulling handle is telescopic with adjustable length of 20 inches to 30 inches for a comfortable height. Heavy-duty and durable rubber wheels can rotate 360 degrees for easy maneuvering. For details, let's watch more. Our fifth and last choice is Sanaa Outdoor Portable Utility Cart Wagon. If you're a do-it-all super parent, you know the struggles of trying to transport your kids' toys and day-to-day necessities around at the beach or at a sporting event. For all those non-parents, you still know the difficulty of hauling groceries from the car to your home. This small wagon is a good value for money, with a telescoping handle and 2 mesh external holders for sunscreen, water bottles, or whatever else you want to keep separate and upright. This wagon folds flat for wall storage or easy transport in most car trunks. It has the same 600D polyester fabric and steel frame as the top 2 picks above. Utility cart ideal for use at sporting events, concerts, trips to the park, beach, or around the house. Heavy-duty powder-coated steel frame allows for loads up to 150 pounds. All-terrain rubber wheels make pushing over uneven ground or sand a breeze. Durable 600D polyester fabric resists tearing and fading. Weight, 12.10 pounds. For details, let's watch more.